waving like this. I don't know who it is. Probably saw these t-shirts and was like, damn, those t-shirts are...
I want one
Dope.
of those.
Okay.
Hi explorers, greetings from my parents' driveway. Do you remember that leak that we had in our bathroom?
Absolutely hammering it down. This might be broken. Water coming through the ceiling. We fixed it.
Detective Chris was on the case and he cracked it.
Yes, I did. I figured it out. And it was very easy to fix and didn't require too many materials either. And we're going to show you how to do it too.
But first.
Not first, not first.
No, not first,
not
last.
First, last.
Stick around because we have a huge announcement and we're going to show you at the end. We're going to reveal the name of our RV and I could not be more excited about this.
But first, those materials. Before you add your new fan cover, you're going to have to take out the old one. Well, what's left of it anyway. The cover that goes over the fan was all cracked and broken, which I guess is kind of a common thing. So we're gonna attempt to take it all apart, put the new fan cover on, the vent cover on, and reseal it. We gotta take this cover off. This is actually like an extra hood, very aerodynamic hood that's on there. It's broken. That's why we're getting rain. Okay, so we gotta figure out taking this off. This is just in pieces. Look at this. And haven't even got to take it apart. It's just breaking apart. Back on the inside, there are 4 screws. We're gonna take out on the interior part here. And that should just come out. Ah! Look at that crank handle. It needs to come out. All the pieces are gonna fall out on me. Uh-oh. Ah! That is gross, nasty. Look at that. But make sure you uncrank it before you do that. Rookie mistake. Well, I am a rookie, so that's okay. Once you got it all out, you should see clear blue sky. And hopefully no rain clouds. Once you have it removed, now is a good time to actually give it a good look over and a good clean, because those seals can definitely get worn and cause other leaks as well. So we gave it a good old rub with some denatured alcohol that I found was recommended by pros on YouTube, right? And then we use some Dicor, I believe it's called. It's a lap sealant for RV, made just for RVs actually, and it's a lap sealant and it just flattens by itself. And it seals in any cracks or leaks and things like that. So, top tip right there. Thank you. Good job. Thank you. So it's a good idea before you put everything back together just to check all your seals, and I gave it a clean with the denatured alcohol, which is recommended before putting sealant on it because it gives it something to stick to. And over here I noticed there's some cracks and things pulling away, so I'm gonna go around and put some lap sealant down. And this is what we got here. This is the Dicor product for RV roofing experts, is what they say. RV roofing experts. So it's gotta be good, hasn't it? It's self-leveling, so it's all gonna level out and look really nice when it's done, apparently.
Wait for the sealant to dry and then get the new gal in there.
It does require some assembly, yeah. There's the old gross cabinet, so broken. Oh, look at that shiny new one. That is crazy how much it's deteriorated. Now I have to remember how to hook this back up. It's opening and closing. And the fan. Ooh. Uh-oh. Oh. Woo-hoo! I was lucky. We also have a aerodynamic hood that goes over the extractor fan as well and helps with the airflow. So we took that off when we fixed it, and I noticed that there was all of the ventilation side was cracked, but you can buy a new cover for like $10 on Amazon, which
do it.
we'll link it below somewhere down there. And you can put it back up, then it'd be brand new, spanking.
The moment I know you've been waiting for. This is the best news ever. Actually, for me, it's not quite the best news ever because I wanted to name, if you remember, the RV Dorothy. It made a whole lot of sense to me. However, after lots of pleading and late night conversations, Chris's desire prevailed. Our RV is officially named
Bilbo. That's right.
Bilbo.
Bilbo.
And why?
Bilbo, after Bilbo Baggins, because he was this little ordinary hobbit, right? And he just up and left his ordinary life for an adventure.
And let me tell you,
that's what we're gonna do.
That's what we're gonna do. And let me tell you how obsessed, just very quickly, that Chris is with the Hobbit. On our wedding day, Chris collected Hobbit cards, and for breakfast, on the morning of our wedding, we went to Denny's of all places, Denny's Diner, just so we could collect more Hobbit cards. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope that you enjoyed this renovation, you saved money, and you find it easy to do. Thank you so much for following us on our journey towards full-time family travel in this beautiful Bilbo. We're very excited about it. And stay tuned next week because we've got some more exciting news that we're so excited to share with you.
And if you want some of this sweet, sweet swag, check the link below.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it.
Cheers. One, I don't know, he just waved to me, some guy like